I see you. You don't know. We're there again. Another video. Back again with another video! Get the blood pumping in feet for the another one.
Yeah, get the blood pumping. You don't know Jafro.
Road rage.
You see me? Road rage. Don't know the thing, go. Remember, like,
Share.
subscribe.
With rage. No mash up on the phone, please.
That would be I want to watch the video. Half an watch the video, then we can rage up on the phone.
I will skip the chatting.
Yeah, alright. Begin right about
now.
Boom, 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 boom.
JDZmedia.
What a boring rage.
Yo.
Bomba.
Money I'm furry, you know.
Oh, with SDR. No, you don't want to do that. Listen. Yo. Certain man say that they can't stand me, just cause they don't understand me. Them man plan strategic attacks, but them man will have to switch to plan B, then plan C, then plan D, until you find yourself at plan Z. But they won't just stop at the alphabet, they'll go through all of the numbers, yeah. But you'll find yourself at a Googleplex before any plan you take has the slightest effect. But it's just like I said, them man don't understand me, cause I'm not your average MC. I'm like part Super Saiyan, part insane. Bars carry weight, hit you like a train, followed by a tsunami. So when man said they beat me in a clash, tell them nah, don't be daft. Man like Jafro sits on the throne and I won't move my ass like I'm Rosa Parks. You can't beat me in a clash. Man like Jafro sits on the throne and I won't move my ass like I'm Rosa Parks. Car clash time comes, I'm hurting man. Man get hurt when I'm versing man, like verse for verse I'm murking man, like murk me now. I don't think you can come. JAF and a R and O. Heart ain't nothing but freezing cold. Always roll with a bike lock, so if shit kicks off I can let man know. Yes done, I did take Gets' flow, but you can't match the flows when I bar. So don't open your mouth and try talk. Your bars ain't as good as my bars, nah. Your bars ain't as good as my bars. You want proof? Check my bars. I'm a next life farm. I'm further ahead of cyborgs. Want proof? Check my past. Look way past the days of Optimus Prime. That's why I'm ahead of any cyborg. Don't get it twisted. It was just evolve or die, and I did not transform. Look, me, I just sized up, grabbed the pen and then light up. It's Jafro. Now I'm well on my way to begin a grind lord. I refuse to roll with the darkest half-hearted. That's why I'm marching SDR's army. I wanna read it with a skibbity flow like CJ. I got a wave against flows. I'm an artist, but while I make certain moves like CJ, me, I don't double my cash in a Mark Jarvis. I made cash back, but I was at gap, so it won't take much to fold you in half. Just give me a second to clean my glasses. Let me get a good look at all of these twats. Your dead out bars left the whole scene laughing. Dead MCs don't belong here, fam. I won't lose if it's me and you clashing. So if you send, I come back with a bang, and I won't just speak the last man standing. I'm last man standing with the last laugh now. Certain man said that they can't stand me, but not cause they don't understand me. See, certain man said that they can't stand me, just cause them man stand under me. The flow too weak, they stand underneath. I'm OTT, the flow is OP. I'm bare deadly, I'm like Jet Li, but these man them wanna try test me, so I show them why.
I send him a message to some boy in the way.
No, the man that say you're basically a bitch. The man say, oh, you're beneath him.
You mean
can't
tell
stand under him.
You mean tell you?
You're basically a bitch, bro.
You mean tell you?
Crazy.
Man think tough, brother.
Crazy.
I'm the lord of the mic. To you, that's a ballpoint pen in your pocket. If that's me, that's a sword by my thigh. Levels, you're lacking in what I've got. If you're not levels, then why would you try? Static, you man ain't making movements. You lot are letting this crime scene die. Dead MCs, dead flows are a nuisance. You're the reason man don't like grime. I don't like how grime has changed. This grime scene needs to be revived. So I'm gonna give them a dose of James with the flows I've gained. Right now I'm flying. Flow gets better, I weren't lying. Spray like a Beretta, I weren't lying. I'm barging through, I weren't lying. Like real talks, I don't lie. Tell the MCs get fried. If an MC steps under the buckle, I drop an MC like he fell from the sky. Get dropped so hard, nobody can save. Drop so hard, I broke up the pavement. Drop so hard, create a shockwave, and all over the earth there be bare earthquakes. But certain man said that they can't stand me, just call where man stand with me. But man that don't know me and then hear me saying that Jafro's a sick MC now. Certain man said that they can't stand me, just call we don't act friendly. But if that's you, then ask yourself why your favorite MC is your favorite MC. You get me? All type my
like MC are the weird.
Don't know, man like my
Make a question or you question try why MC if you MC? Why if you can't even like
why Jafro
embody them? Embody, right? And if you don't like Jafro, why you rate your friend your one? Basically what I say, you probably bad man him then.
Yeah.
And I fight him out. Probably you love him and true him better than your MC, you cannot jealous and say, oh no, get the boy. Like the easiest way to just downgrade somebody that.
Yo, Jafro, you think tough?
Yeah man, Jafro, road rage.
You don't know. We be raging. Man, I rage, brother. The man said them can't move him like Rosa Parks. Rosa Parks.
Yeah, for me that the lady with the bus with the white man, dog.
You don't know the thing, though.
Alright, guys, at the end of the video, don't know the thing go. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.
Out.
Out.
Buddha bless you.